Hello children, in this video we are going to learn about image formation in spherical mirror, right? Quickly we will recapture the image formed in plane mirror. Already you have learned this. If there is a plane mirror, right, or object if it is placed in front of the mirror, or ball so this is the object. Image will be formed behind the mirror, right? This is the image. Plane mirror la object முன்னாடி the image will be formed behind the mirror. Nature of the images, it will be virtual. Image formed is not real, that is virtual image, and the image formed will be erect, right? And it will be also same size as that of the object. Object size, image size rendu same இருக்கும். இப்போ image formation in spherical mirror we will learn. அதாவது ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்ட் மிரருக்கு முன்னாடி இருக்கும்போது, ரிஃப்ளெக்டிங் சர்ஃபேஸ் முன்னாடி இருக்கும்போது இமேஜ் எங்கே ஃபார்ம் ஆகும், இமேஜோட நேச்சர் தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்காக we are going to apply 4 rules. I'm going to teach you 4 rules, children, to locate the image. Image position எங்கே இருக்குது அப்படிங்கிறத லொக்கேட் பண்ணுறதுக்காக we are going to learn 4 rules, right? So let me draw the mirror here. Let me draw the spherical mirror. Okay, இப்போ if I am going to shade at this side, இந்த பக்கம் நம்ம ஷேட் பண்ணிடலாம். So the reflecting surface, this will be inside will be the reflecting surface, right? This will be the reflecting surface. Reflecting surface curved in இருந்தால் what type of mirror, children? That is concave mirror. Okay, இப்போ இந்த ஸ்பியர் இதை அப்படியே ஒரு ஸ்பெரிக்கல் பார்ட்டை எக்ஸ்டெண்ட் பண்ணினா அதோட ஸ்பியரோட சென்டரை we call it as center of curvature. இந்த மிரரோட கான்கேவ் மிரர், this is concave mirror, இதோட சென்டரை we call it as pole, right? And the line joining C and P we call it as right, principal axis. So center of curvature ku இந்த pole of the mirror ku இடையில principal focus will be there, right? இப்போ இது எல்லா டயக்ராமுக்கு you have to draw this. Now I will draw the object. ABங்கிறது object. So object imagine you are standing in front of the mirror. You are standing at this point. இதுதான் உன் ஹெட், இது உன் ஃபுட்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. இப்போ லைட் ரே it will travel. This is principal axis, light ray parallel to the principal axis, right? Light ray is parallel to the principal axis. After reflection on the mirror, it will pass through the focus. This is the rule number 1. This is rule number 1. What is rule number 1? Parallel ray to principal axis. Parallel ray to principal axis. After reflection, it passes through focus. Yes, it passes through focus. This is rule number 1, right? So we will learn rule number 2 now. Again I will draw the spherical mirror. Okay, this is the spherical mirror, and let curved in part be the reflecting surface, and this is the pole of the mirror, and this will be the center of curvature. Join CP, principal axis. This is principal axis, here is the focus. Now we will learn the second rule. What I am drawing now, this AB object is on the center of curvature. Okay, send a light ray from the head of the object. Now if the light ray is passing through the focus, if it is going to pass through the focus, after reflection from the mirror, it becomes parallel. Okay, this is rule number 2. This is, you can see here, if you compare this, parallel ray passes through focus. ஆனால் இங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃபோக்கஸ் வழியாக ரே போச்சுன்னா அது it becomes parallel to the principal axis, right? So this is the second rule. So what is second rule? Ray passing through principal axis. Okay, principal focus. Ray passing through principal focus. After reflection, it becomes parallel to what? Parallel to principal axis. So this is rule number 2. Got it? Now we will learn the third rule now. I will draw the concave mirror, okay, and you have to shade it. Pole of the mirror, center of curvature, principal axis, this is focus, right? Now the third rule is AB is the object, right? Light ray, when it passes through the center of curvature, it will retrace its path, okay? Light ray, it is directly passing through the center of curvature, okay? So if it passes through the center of curvature, this is the incident light. Incident light is through the center of curvature. Reflection kaprama, it will retrace its path. Adhe valiya thirumbi pogum. This is the third rule. Okay, so what is the third rule? A ray passing through center of curvature, right? Center of curvature. After reflection, retraces its path. Okay, this is the third rule. Now we will learn the fourth. I will draw the mirror and you have to shade it. That is, you are polishing. This is the pole of the mirror, and here you have the center of curvature, join C and P. So this will be the principal axis, right? Here you got the pole of the mirror. Here you got the center of curvature. Between these two you have the focus. Now the fourth rule is AB is the object. And the fourth rule is, if the light ray from the object, it is falling on the pole. Right ray falling on the pole. Object or head irundhu vara light ray enga incident agudhu parunga, direct pole la vilugudhu. Okay, so it falls on the pole. Appo after reflection, இந்த இடத்துல reflection க்கு அப்புறமா, now this is the, whatever I am drawing now is the reflected ray, right? So this is the reflected ray. A ray falling on the pole will get reflection as per the law of reflection. Okay, இது law of reflection மாதிரி. எப்படி ஒரு plane mirrorல plane mirrorல என்னமா, இது plane mirrorல இது incident ray, இது reflected ray, இது normal, right? அதே மாதிரி தான் இது incident ray, இது reflected ray. இந்த normal இருக்க வேண்டிய இடத்துல what do you have? You have the principal axis, right? This principal axis, it will be the normal. இந்த மிரர்ல நார்மல் இருக்க வேண்டிய இடத்துல உனக்கு என்ன இருக்கு? பிரின்சிபல் ஆக்சிஸ் இருக்கு. So what is the fourth rule? A ray falling on pole gets reflected, right? Gets reflected as per law of reflection, as per law of reflection. Okay, here principal axis, here the principal axis acts as normal, right? So this will be the angle of incidence and this will be the angle of reflection. Angle of incidence and this will be the angle of reflection. Got it, children? So in this 4 rules, at least you have to apply 2 rays. Okay, at least 2 rules you have to use to locate the image position. At least 2 rule of the use pannina tha image oda position you can find out. Quickly we will recollect, children. Parallel ray after reflection passes through the focus. A ray passing through the focus, it will become parallel to the principal axis, and ray passing through the center of curvature retraces its path. And the fourth one is, ray when it falls directly on the pole, it gets reflected and it obeys the law of reflection. I hope you understood. In the 4 rule you can able to draw the ray diagram, right? Thank you, children.